You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name. A bit confusing, the spelling is, but the pronunciation is pretty straightforward. British English and American English pronunciations are similar here. Evacuee. Evacuee. You do want to stress on the last syllable here. Not evacuee, but evacuee. Evacuee. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.